Hey everybody, so I got a quick tool haul from Walmart. Got some organization stuff for, it's basically for like weed eaters, brooms, stuff like that. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, so I picked up some items from Walmart. Which is this Hyper Tough system, which is a quick release grass trimmer hanger. That's this one right here. I picked up, these are two separate purchases. So basically the first purchase is technically these three right here. I had to go to two different stores to find the things I was looking for. I actually went to like 4 different stores, but and the problem with the stores closing a lot earlier because of the corona virus and everything going on. I picked these three up. They were like, I think $5 something a piece. So these guys right here, which is the Mop and Broom Holder, is $5.84 a piece. I picked up technically these three, and then I picked up these 4 right here. Right here. The Weed Eater one was $5.84. This hook was $5.84. The U-hook. I also picked up snap rail, which this was also $5.84, and I'm gonna pan down. Excuse the mess, but this guy right here, this is you can get the rail or you can get the kit. I got a rail, and we're going to be using this rail to mount the steel equipment on in the barn. But it's a 46-inch snap rail, and I also got the kit, which is this guy right here. It says a max of 100 pounds right here, 75 pounds capacity per linear foot, so 75 pounds capable per 12 inches. The kit, this is 16. The rail by itself is physically, I think it was like $5.84, like the rest of the hooks and everything. The kit comes with a 46-inch snap rail, which is this guy. Comes with 2 quick release 3-inch U-hooks and 2 quick release 6-inch straight hooks. And the U-hooks are these right here. So it comes with 2 of these. The broom attachments I'm going to physically use to clamp to these guys and hang these guys, because I'm going to be getting more attachments for it. And I thought, I'll also do a video where I may not do a video installing it, but I'll do a video showing you guys that everything's hanging up. And I just, after every use, I actually clean the Weed Eater and all the accessories. So for example, I used the Weed Eater yesterday, but it's pretty clean. You can see that it's been well used. It's got grass stains and stuff on it, but I cleaned the shield and I cleaned the top and everything to make it look nice. Here's the power head, which is the KM131R, which you probably already saw. I did previous videos on this. They'll be coming out soon. But hopefully, let me see if I can stand this up on the cart. And it's a little messy in here. Hopefully I can get this on camera. But here is the Weedeater attachment for that system. Yeah, it looks like it will work fine for the hook. Doesn't look like there'll be any problems. Fits pretty nicely, so that's good. I already prepared it for storage. It's a possibility that I'll have to use it again if it keeps raining as much as it has. Little update, we'll just come outside. So somebody actually shattered my window, and I spent a majority of the day cleaning this up. This on the excursion project. There's actually glass. There's glass under the truck. Some of the glass is in the door. I already called the insurance and told them they needed to come out, asked them to come out and fix the window. Not that they needed. I also weed-eated both of my alleys where I'm at. Behind my house there's a giant alley, as well as the side of my house, which is right there. That's an alley. All in all, an update on the Stihl combi system. It works great. I'm used to the weed whacker or the trimmer attachment flinging rocks. It's hard to get used to the brush cutter attachment because it just, previous video I showed, I bought several other blades. This is the grass blade that's on it. I just put that back on because for whatever reason this shield only fits on this blade. We might do some upgrade videos in the future. We might I might take the shield off and test it with a 10 or 12 or a 14 inch saw blade with a 1-inch arbor. You know, see how it does. I'll do some videos on the other blades I picked up, and you know, just a little update. This was full to the it was a little above the 2-gallon mark because I didn't measure the 2-gallon on this because it's not accurate. When I was filling, I was watching the meter on the gas pump, and 2 gallons is actually at the right at the center of the approximate line, or the approximate word. So I've used about 2 inches of the fuel can, so it's a lot of weed eating. I do have a bunch of other oils. This is the full synthetic VP from Walmart. This is the Pro Select from Lowe's, and I got this one because it's got the filling nozzles where I can keep using this bottle. I have the Stihl Ultra HP. I have the SuperTech Universal Premix, and we're going to be doing, over several years, we're going to be using the cheaper oils in this unit, trying to dirty it, and I will probably be doing the Red Armor challenge in my own way, and we'll also use the Echo Gold oil and the Red Armor from Echo, and then we're also going to test a very high premium brand, which is going to be the Amsoil Sabre. But this video is mainly about the mounting system I picked up. This is 16 bucks. This was $5. All the attachments were $5. I think I paid like $70 for everything I picked up. There's a bunch of other attachments. There's, you know, straight. Let me pan this down. There's attachments similar to this, but they're like 6 inches and they're really deep throat. There are like a double fork about this wide apart, 6 inches. There are double forks as well that are about the same apart, but they're 6 inches long, and then there is another fork right underneath it, which is like a little curve hook where you can hang 2 things on it. There's several other attachments. I have no idea where the part number on this is. You guys can probably find it at your local Walmart. It's pretty thick. There is no like pre-drilled holes or anything. I'm more likely going to attach this instead of using the small little screws. I'm more than likely going to attach this rail to my barn walls with lag bolts, or more than likely it's probably going to be concrete bolts. I can't remember what the heck they're called. They're I guess you would consider them lag bolts, but they have a screw head on them. Anybody down below, if they know what I'm talking about, just let me know. But they're a style of lag bolt. They just don't take a nut. They physically thread like a screw. You get them in, I think, 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 3/8. I think I have some 1/2 inch laying around. I'm just gonna drill through it on, the perspective pillars. Hopefully those using lag bolts would be stronger. So instead of this being able to hold 100 pounds per 12 inches, it can hold, 200 or 300 pounds per 12 inches. I picked up extras of these broom and mop holders because one of them is going to be used for a broom and mop that I leave in my shop and my barn, which is my shop, and then 2 of them are for the accessories I have right at the moment, and then the other 2 are for the future accessories that I'm gonna grab. But I appreciate your guys' time. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.